Hi, I think I finally found what I think is a great and affordable cookware set for the Optimus Svea 123R stove. So this is the MFH Fox Outdoor Steel Travel Dish Set. It's a stainless steel camping cookware set. So let's open it. And what I like most about it is that it's made of stainless steel. So it can handle bumps and impacts much better than aluminium. Of course, it's a little bit heavier, but for my kind of camping, that's not a problem at all. In fact, I personally prefer stainless steel cookware over aluminium. And another big advantage is the price. This set was surprisingly affordable and actually much cheaper than many aluminium cookware sets. But the best part is that the Optimus Svea 123R fits perfectly inside the pot, and making it very compact and practical way to store and carry the stove. So let's try. So it fits there perfectly inside this pot. So if you are looking for a suitable pot for your Svea 123R, here's a useful tip. Let's take the stove out of the pot. The stove is approximately 13 centimeters tall and about 10 centimeters in diameter. So in general, any pot with internal dimensions larger than that should fit the Svea without any problems. So I hope this tip helps anyone looking for a good storage and cooking solution for the Svea 123R. And thank you for watching the video. I wish you all many great camping adventures, enjoyable cooking moments outdoors, and have a great day. Bye.